Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, make sure that you're on the home screen, the current watch face, as you can see we are. Then press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Like this. In this menu you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Now find the watch face you like to use and then tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch, like that. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.